Hello, valued agents. Welcome to CVFR Consolidation Services Travel Tech platform. To access the Travel Tech login, enter your agent details via the login box which is located on the top right corner of the website. We at CVFR Consolidation Services believe that our agents deserve the best, and that is why we provide you with all the information regarding CCS notices, incentives and promotions, training videos, and so much more on our one stop platform. Travel Tech has all the features to make ticketing a seamless process. Travel Tech Fares enables travel agents to find the most competitive fares for all the major airlines in as little time as possible. To search fares, enter your desired destination and your origin with departure and return dates. Then view the fare details from the lowest to highest possible fare available from all the major airlines updated in real time. Ticketing allows our agents to issue gross fares, net remit via BSP, and now NDC fares. Agents are also able to reissue and revalidate tickets themselves. To issue tickets, click on Action Booking under the Ticketing tab. Next, select PCC and add your PNR locator to retrieve booking. Select passengers and sectors, then select form of payment, cash or credit. Confirm PNR details, then click Show Price Summary. Check passenger details and click Issue Ticket. To complete the process, click Finish. Similarly, for NDC, select your PCC and then add your NDC PNR to retrieve booking. Your NDC price summary will be displayed. Next, select your payment type, cash or credit. Check passenger details and then click on Fulfill NDC. Then click Finish to complete the process. Your recently issued tickets will appear in the Manage Bookings section. This platform also enables you to manage and control your ticketing activities with ease. You can view which type of fares use, either GDS or NDC, as highlighted. To search for a ticket, use the filters to display tickets from the list based on issue dates. If you're an administrator, you can choose to see all tickets issued by your agency, or you can only choose tickets issued by you. You can void the ticket within the same calendar date by clicking on the ticket. Select the ticket you want to void and click on the three dots under Action. Click Void Ticket. For NDC issued tickets, select Ticket, click on the three dots under Action and click Void Order. To apply for a refund, click the Request Refund button and nominate a reason for the refund. In the notes, mention if it's a full or a partial refund request. If required, attach relevant documents and submit it for refund. To reissue or revalidate tickets, go to the Action Booking tab under Ticketing. Enter original ticket number. Select Reissue Revalidate to retrieve booking. Select the sectors, enter your ticket number and show price summary. Select the form of payment, cash or credit. Confirm PNR details and click Reissue. One of our features in Action Booking is QPNR. Select your PCC Add your PNR and select QPNR from the drop-down list to retrieve booking. Nominate a reason for QPNR from the list provided. Different information will need to be provided for the different reasons you will nominate. Follow the prompts and add as much information as you go to help the team with processing. And then click on QPNR, which will take you to the confirmation screen. It should be the same as how you would see previously, just different layout. One of the features in the new Travel Tech is that you can attach relevant documents if required. Travel Tech also showcases latest exchange rates under BSR rates. You can find this below the ticketing tab. You can easily view your commission and service fees under the Commission and Service Fees tab. Just enter the airline you need the information for, and the details will appear in seconds. The News and Promo tab highlights the latest airline news, promotions, fare releases, and much more. Remember to keep checking it regularly for best offers and updates. In the Reports tab, you can view your agency's reports with details of new tickets, reissue, EMDS, EMDA, and now NDC tickets. In the Agency Settings tab, you can view your agency details, view or edit the e-ticket amount in SPM. In SPM, you can either show or hide the ticket price on the client's e-ticket copy. Do remember to save your changes. Travel Tech aims to provide you with all the tools to make your work easier. The airplane icon showcases fare tools. The envelope icon helps you to receive and reply to your agency's messages. You can also change your password through this, and you can use the help icon for more information and help on Travel Tech. Our customer support team is well equipped with a multi-GDS environment. We at CVFR Consolidation Services believe in offering quality help desk support to a diverse domestic and international client base. We offer 24/7 support. For more help and information, you can click on the help icon on the top right corner of the website. You can also contact our help desk at helpdesk@traveltechonline.com. Alternatively, for your urgent queries, call us on 1300 244 777. For personalized webinars, you can email us at sales@cvfrconsolidation.com.au. To open an account with CVFR Consolidation Services or for any questions regarding this presentation, please email sales@cvfrconsolidation.com.au.